So now let's give more specific prompts to ChatGPT. So what you want to do is write 4 sentences while giving a prompt to ChatGPT. So first of all, what you need to do is give ChatGPT a role and then define the goal and then set restrictions and define format. So let's say what I want ChatGPT to do is write a script as, let's say, for example, an expert food blogger. So I'm going to go around and say as an expert food blogger right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say expert food blogger. So that is the role I'm giving to ChatGPT right here. I'm going to go around and now say write a script outline, just like this. So that is what that is the role that I'm giving. So as a food expert, that is the role I'm giving to ChatGPT, and I'm saying write a script outline. So this is what I have. Write a script outline. So what I'm going to go around and do a script outline of, let's say, for example, a burger joint, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is set restrictions, which is the third which is going to be the third sentence. So this is the first sentence, as you can see, and this is the second sentence, which is this is the role and this is the goal right here. And I'm going to set restrictions, and let's say, for example, write the script in less than 80 words, right here, for example, for a very short video, just like this. And now I'm going to go around and then define the format. So I'm just going to go around and say divide the script scene in 2 parts. The beginning should be an introduction and the ending should be a conclusion, just like this. So now I have 4 parts, as you can see. As an expert food blogger, so this is the role. Write a script outline, this is the goal, and write it in less than 80 words for a short video, that is the restriction, and divide the script scene into 3 parts. Beginning should be an introduction and ending should be a conclusion, and that is a format. So now I'm ready to send this particular prompt, and if I were to send this out, then you can see that you have this. So there's introduction and conclusion over here. So in less than 80 words, it says there's a scene of a bustling burger joint kitchen, and title is Welcome to the Flavor Heaven. So these are what you have. So quick, hot, sizzling patties, fresh veggies being sliced, bun being toasted right here, and the narrator says get ready to embark on the flavor journey like no other. Chef flipping. So it gives a visual cue of what should be there, and there's the narration and there's the conclusion over here as well. For example, there's customers happily devouring burgers right here, and there's wide shots and there's narratives over here as well. So you can go around and do the same thing and continue. Let's say, for example, now make this script let's say in 500 words, just like this. And what happens is that it simply gives it in much more detail right here, just like this. So there's the scene, there's the body and so forth right here, and it gives the same thing in much more detail as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So you can go around and make it really specific to get what you want. And this is the power of ChatGPT. So now further around, what I'm going to do is we're going to go around and explore more features of ChatGPT for generating different contents. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.